Hello guys, welcome back. It's time for our CLIL lesson and it's about sound effects. Μια και κάναμε για το θέατρο και για το σινεμά, να δούμε πώς κάνουμε διάφορα ηχητικά εφέ. Okay, that's interesting. So, listen to that text and then we will explain a few points.
In films and plays, it is not only the actors' voices that are important, but also other sounds that we call sound effects. These sounds include things like doors opening and closing, footsteps, dogs barking, etc. Sound effects make a film or play sound more real, and they also create the right atmosphere. People who make sound effects are called Foley artists. Foley artists work in a studio. They create the correct sound effects for films and plays. It's an interesting job, and you get to meet famous directors and actors. People used sound effects in the past too. Ancient Greeks and Romans, when they were performing plays, used metal balls on animal skin to make the sound of thunder. They also used a cotton sheet to make the sound of wind, and small pieces of glass to make the sound of rain.
Okay, that was really interesting. So sound effects είναι τα ηχητικά εφέ και μάλιστα, okay, nowadays with all this technology, φανταζόμαστε ότι υπάρχει από πίσω sound technician, right? Και έχει έτοιμα ό,τι εφέ θέλουμε. But it's not that always. Κοιτάξτε, ancient Greeks and Romans thousands of years ago, okay, είχαν διάφορους τρόπους να κάνουν sound effects. Άρα, τι είναι πολύ σημαντικό όταν βλέπουμε μία ταινία? Of course, λέει ότι είναι the actor's voice, right? Γιατί η αλήθεια είναι ότι μία τσιριχτή φωνή ή μία φωνή που είναι flat, boring, χαλάει όλο το έργο. The music or the soundtrack, όπως λέμε για τα έργα, μπορεί να απογειώσει ή να κάνει ένα έργο πολύ βαρετό, but sound effects, especially when there is an action film ή ένα mystery film, are very, very, very important. Okay? Okay. Just imagine that we are going to, we are the sound technicians και θέλουμε να κάνουμε sound effects. Okay? So, we want to make bones breaking. Make that sound. Πώς θα κάνατε τον ήχο? Breaking celery, που είναι το σέλινο, να το στρίψουμε, γιατί ξέρετε τα πάντα κάνουν θόρυβο και έχουν πολύ ιδιαίτερο ήχο. Or coconuts knocking. That one of course, right? Coconuts knocking. Άρα παίρνουμε τις καρύδες, τις χτυπάμε με τρόπο, so we have the feeling that bones are breaking. Ugh. Okay. What about a zebra drinking water in a pool? Άρα, για σκεφτείτε, a zebra is a big animal, right? So, gloves flapping, flap είναι όταν φτερουγίζω, όταν κουνάω δηλαδή όπως τα φτερά. Gloves flapping or fingertips splashing in water? Ποιο από τα δύο? Για σκεφτείτε, θα κάνει πολύ θόρυβο. So, gloves flapping, right? Or punching. Έχουμε μία σκηνή που πέφτουν γροθιές, κάτι. Άρα, κοιτάξτε πόσα μπορεί να κάνει αν είμαστε εφευρετικοί. So, pressing on cornflakes, ακούγονται χράτσα, χρούτσα, χράτσα, χρούτσα, or shutting a book. Έχετε δοκιμάσει να κλείσετε από το με ένα βιβλίο? When you shut a book, okay, all of a sudden. So, that's the way. And an elephant's footstep, okay, we are talking about an elephant, a rolling stone, okay, over gravel, άρα μία πέτρα πάνω στα χαλίκια που κυλάει, or opening and closing an umbrella, okay. We want a rolling stone. Παιδιά, έχετε ακούσει ελέφαντες όταν τρέχουνε? Δεν είναι bab-bab, γίνεται λες και είναι σεισμός, okay. So, now it's time for our song. Just relax, enjoy and have fun. That's it.
With my makeup and my costume, I really look the part. my lines in row. They're coming from my heart. I love being in the spotlight. I was born to be a star when I'm performing up on stage. People say that I'll go far. The actors and the actresses are one big family. The scenery is my new home. That's how it feels to me. The playwright and director create a wonderland. Every time the curtain opens, the audience clap their hands. I love being in the spotlight. I was born to be a star when I'm performing up on stage. People say that I'll go far.
Okay, nice. So our last step is checking vocabulary. So voice, φωνή, θυμηθείτε ότι the actor's voice is very important. Sound effects, footsteps, dogs barking, create the right atmosphere, animal skin, the sound of thunder, a cotton sheet, coconuts knocking together, flap, squeeze, meow, cats meow, smash a window, and be in the spotlight. Okay, so that is for today. Thank you guys, hope you enjoyed the lesson. So see you next time. Bye bye.